So, boys, we have World Cup next year. We have Champions League next week. So, yeah, let's try something different. Try to think of all the players who have won both the World Cup and the Champions League. So, let's go. Give me a list.
You know what, Dodo? I think we should just get the obvious ones out of the way.
I think those will be the first 10 that we'll get.
Let me start. Zizi,
That's right.
What about Kaka?
That's right.
Thierry Henry,
Yeah, that's right.
Lionel Messi,
Of course, the GOAT.
David Villa,
That's right.
Pedro,
Torres,
Correct.
Juan Mata,
So, Juan Mata was on the bench in the World Cup 2010 final and he won the Champions League 2012. It says
Xavi,
Iker
Iniesta.
Casillas,
Xavi, Iniesta, and Casillas. All answers are right.
Me and Abhishek are simply channelizing all the Spanish players that we remember.
Sergio Ramos, Carlos Puyol,
Absolutely.
Gerard Piqué.
Gerard Piqué. How many have we got so far?
Keep on naming players. That's what we like. That's what the channel is all about. So I think what would be better is if you go by World Cup editions.
No, I think these clubs is better. Clubs is better.
Okay, take it.
Paolo Maldini, Alessandro Nesta.
One of them is correct.
Oh yeah, Nesta is correct. Maldini nahi.
Cafu won the both.
Cafu won 2 World Cups
Yeah.
and 1 Champions League.
Pirlo,
That's correct.
Gattuso,
That's right.
Zambrotta,
Juventus. Who did Zambrotta win it with? Barca?
AC Milan, no?
Zambrotta AC Milan.
Namita is not correct.
Cannavaro.
थोड़ा सोच तो सही यूवेंटस कब वर्ल्ड ये जीता चैंपियंस लीग
तो डेल पियरो भी नहीं जीता है.
Del Piero hasn't won.
यूवेंटस चैंपियंस लीग कब जीता है
Juventus won the Champions League in '96.
हाँ फिर डेल पिएरो ए सुपर पीपो इंजागी
That's right.
स्पेन डिड वी मैक्स आउट स्पेन एस्पिलिक्वेटा was he there in the Chelsea Champions League squad no right?
He was not in the World Cup squad.
He was there in the Chelsea squad for sure.
So when Chelsea won the Champions League in 2021, he was in that squad. Not 12 squad, not in World Cup squad.
I was thinking of Argentinians. I mean, from the recent World Cup, apart from Messi, who else was there who could have won the Champions League?
Hey, what about Roberto Carlos?
Of course, Roberto Carlos. So if you want to think about the recent World Cups, there are 3 Argentinian players who have won the Champions League and World Cup. From 2018 World Cup, there are 1, 2, 3, 5 Frenchmen who have won the World Cup and Champions League.
What about Olivier Giroud?
That's correct.
Did Raul win the World Cup?
No, I did not.
Was Willy Sagnol part of the Bayern Munich team that won the World Cup?
Bayern Munich team that won the World Cup.
That won the Champions League.
He was part of the Bayern Munich team who won the Champions League, but he was not part of the France team that won the World Cup.
He wasn't the right back for France in '98. Vicente Lizarazu.
That's right.
Manuel Neuer.
That's correct.
Was Lilian Thuram in Juventus in '96?
No, he wasn't.
Bastian Schweinsteiger.
Of course.
Thomas Müller.
That's correct.
Was Lucio there in 2002?
Yeah, he was. He made the mistake because of which Michael Owen scored that goal.
Then maybe now I'm overreaching. I know this isn't true. Maicon.
I understand. But there is another defender who has won the Champions League and the World Cup.
Luis Gustavo. Zé Roberto.
No.
See, I don't know why I'm just thinking of random Brazilians. Dante.
Dante in 2002.
We said Cafu, we said Carlos, Lucio.
The defender I'm talking about started the final.
He would have been a centre half for sure.
Yeah.
Who the hell was a Brazilian centre half?
You're missing out on some really obvious names.
But we'll get there. We haven't scratched the surface. Did Lothar Matthäus win the Champions League?
No, he famously did not.
Who was the Brazilian centre back?
Okay, move on from that. There are some obvious names that you haven't talked about.
Did Mario Götze win the Champions League with Bayern?
No, he did not. When Bayern Munich won the Champions League, he was in Dortmund. When Bayern Munich played Dortmund, he was in stands because he was injured.
And when did Bayern Munich win the Champions League before that?
Before 2013, they won it in 2001.
Which means Oliver Kahn would have been there, right?
That's correct.
And Oliver Kahn did not win the World Cup.
See, start from 98.
What about Dida?
Yeah, that's right.
98 who was there? Laurent Blanc. Did Laurent Blanc ever win the Champions League?
No, he didn't.
Barthez hasn't won the Champions League. Okay, Barthez won the Champions League?
He has won it with Marseille.
Barthez won the Champions League with Marseille?
Yeah. But
Wow.
there are two other players who have won the Champions League with Barthez and Marseille, and they went on to win another Champions League with other clubs.
Emmanuel Petit.
What about Ludovic Julie?
When did Ludovic Julie win
What
the,
did
win the
Ludovic
World
Julie
Cup?
win? Hey, wait. Mikael Silvestre. Because I think he joined United when after the 99 win, and also was he a part of the France's World Cup winning squad?
No, he wasn't.
Hey, what about Nicolas Anelka?
Nicolas Anelka wasn't part of France's World Cup squad.
What about Christophe Dugarry?
No.
Was Didier Deschamps a part of the 96 Juventus Champions League winning squad?
Of course. Deschamps also won it with Marseille.
I have no recollection of Marseille winning the Champions League.
See, there is another player that you are missing out on. Quite obvious.
I think we said Henry, we said Zizou, we said Deschamps.
Who was Laurent Blanc's centre half partner?
Why do I remember the fullbacks but not long center?
Marcel Desailly?
Of course, of course.
Oh.
He won it with Marseille.
That Marseille squad seems to be quite a killer squad.
I don't remember this, but did Ronaldinho ever win the Champions League?
In 2006. That's what I'm saying. You are missing out on quite obvious names.
I mean, it's a long list of 50. We can't get them in 30 seconds.
But Ronaldinho.
Did R9 win the Champions League?
R9 did not win the Champions League.
Rivaldo. Did Rivaldo win the Champions League?
Rivaldo was part of AC Milan's squad
Yeah.
in 2003. He did not start the game.
Is Thiago Alcantara on the list?
Of course not.
Oh, Xabi Alonso. Xabi Alonso.
Sergio Busquets.
Of course, Busquets.
Luis Garcia.
Luis Garcia. Garcia wasn't part of Spain's 2010 World Cup squad.
How are you missing out on all the obvious ones? But Ludovic Julie and Luis Garcia.
Luis
are top of
Garcia.
the list. The fuck did Luis? He won one Champions League and that's it. I think the only reason you have an inflated opinion of his talent is because he was wearing the Liverpool jersey. Hey, Morientes?
Is Alvaro Arbeloa by any chance on the list?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
could be.
correct. He was on the bench both for the World Cup final and Champions League finals.
Your friend Dietmar Hamann.
Of course not.
No.
Who was Germany's captain in 2014?
Oh, yeah. Philipp Lahm.
Philipp Lahm. Another big German name you are missing out on.
Stefan Effenberg.
No. Huge name who has won multiple Champions Leagues.
Toni Kroos.
Hey, who is that centre back that Messi basically sat down?
Jerome Boateng.
We talked about his brother a few days back. This player was part of Germany's midfield in 2014. He featured most of the World Cup, but he did not play in the final.
Sami Khedira.
Hey, what about Michael Ballack?
No, Michael Ballack is an eternal runner.
Sami Khedira, I remember especially.
No, it was fantastic. Sami Khedira, very underrated.
No, because United were linked with him, remember? In the season before, in the summer before. Which obviously didn't happen much like most of United's transfers from 2013 and 2014. But let's not go there.